representatives to quite your mission. Isn't it beautiful?
Now we're calling upon Emmanuel Cologne from Worcester State University and a member of Temple Emmanuel Sinai.
In Hebrew, we have a concept called tikkun olam, which means repairing the world. And I want to acknowledge that here we have people from many different faiths and traditions, or none at all. And the beautiful thing is that we can gather here together for a single purpose and listen to the words of one voice and one tradition that gives voice to all our pain and hopes. Right now, we're going to be praying with our words, but later on, we'll be praying with our feet, because marching is also a way of praying for social justice.